Hello, I am Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. In this video, I want to share with you a content strategy on how you can make $100 per day with Clickbank. If you're interested in learning how to make money with Clickbank, or if you're new to Clickbank affiliate marketing, this video is for you. If this is your first time ever checking out one of my videos or my channel, feel free to hit that like button, and before you go, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into a content strategy so that you can start making $100 per day with Clickbank. Let's get started. Alright, so I've actually decided to break this video into two parts, two videos, more bite-sized so it's not extremely long, alright? Now let's get into a proven content strategy that you can start implementing so that you can grow an income on Clickbank and start making $100 per day online. So it boils down to getting traffic. How are we going to get traffic to a converting offer on Clickbank? You don't need a website. So my first recommendation, Medium articles. You don't have to create a WordPress website. You can literally write articles on this free website that gets you ranked on Google. And I'm not getting a ton of traffic with Medium. I'm still growing with my Medium content, but these are some of the views I've gotten within the last 30 days. All right, 54 views. Most of this is organic traffic. I believe I'm even running one paid traffic for some keywords on one of these articles also. But this is a free way that you can start making money, is with getting traffic to a converting offer. So if you go to Google, let's check out some of these, check out some of my past searches. Let's see if this one has any Medium articles ranking for it. All you do is literally find low-hanging keywords that you can rank for, and write an article on Medium and get that article ranked on Google so that you can get some free traffic. And it doesn't look like, let me check something else I've been searching in the past. Upleap review. Oh, here we are. Look at this, guys. This is a Medium article for the keyword Upleap reviews. These guys are getting free traffic each and every month. Looks like there's another one. Medium is 100% free to use. All you do is just create an account, and then you click on write a story. And it's really simple to write a story, guys. It's just words and pictures. Words and pictures to create a story. And get that ranked. You might want to do your research on the correct way to write articles. But look at this. It says views by traffic source. Bing.com, Yahoo search, DuckDuckGo, and these are through search engines, guys. Look at this organic traffic. And this works with any niche, guys. It's pretty much writing a helpful article. Like if this was a weight loss article, or 10 different teas to lose weight, and you talk about different type of teas, green tea, orange tea, or all the different type of teas that people can buy at their local grocery stores, and you talk about the benefits of drinking tea and losing weight, and then you have either a banner like this with a call to action. It says click here for a proven weight loss strategy, and you send them to a Clickbank offer. It's really that simple, guys. People want the shortcut. This is a proven strategy, guys. You either build up free traffic or you spend a lot of money testing traffic and different offers, and you're gonna have to go through some money in order to figure out what works. But if you don't got that money, guys, this is a proven strategy right here. This is a beginner's strategy that you can use, all right? So step number 2, guys, YouTube videos. You're watching this video right now on YouTube, learning how to make money with Clickbank. Are you aware that people are making money with Clickbank right now from their YouTube channel? There's plenty videos on making money, and anybody can upload a video on YouTube. Look at this video right here. Make money online watching YouTube videos. Franklin, he has a huge channel. You can upload free videos on YouTube, guys. Now there's a tool that'll help you out as far as learning how videos get ranked and learning how to get your videos at the top of the search, because YouTube is nothing but a search engine. People type in stuff and YouTube recommends them videos based on what they type. And when you learn how to rank your videos for keywords, low-hanging keywords, look at this, search volume. There's search volume. Over 2 million people are searching for this a month. And there's some competition for this keyword. Let's say if we wanted to create a video and name this video making money or how to make money. Let me fix that. Hold on one second. How to make money online now in 2021. Look at this. TubeBuddy recommended that if I were to create a video based on this keyword, the search volume is really high and there's competition, or medium competition. When it's yellow towards green, that means you can rank. And if we click on here, click here for weight score, this lets me know the exact score for my specific channel. What they just gave me was an overall. So the overall is really good, but to rank for my specific channel, looks like it's going to be hard. So having a free plugin like TubeBuddy definitely works, but this is ways that you can have organic traffic come into your YouTube channel, or you can write articles that get ranked on Google, have a helpful article explaining the benefits of losing weight or whatever niche you decide to get into. This article is actually, what is this article? It's about making money with printables. So what I did is I explained, the demand of e-commerce and having a product with a website and shipping that product to your customer. This is a graph with some proven facts on it, on how big e-commerce is and how people are making money from home. Then I have a product. So you give people information, you share with them the benefits of something, and then you ship them to a product. You help them, and then you send them to a product that will help them. It's really that simple, guys. Listen, trust me when I tell you this stuff works, guys. A lot of people, they want to share with you these shortcuts. These shortcuts don't work, guys. There is no website that'll scrape all the articles off the internet and write you a new blog every day. Shortcut software. Guys, the truth is you're going to have to put in some work, and there is building blocks, and there is some work to be done, but you can grow. You can start small, video after video, article after article, month after month, and you can grow something humongous. Let me give you a perfect example of what's possible, all right? Let's say you get serious, you write 10 Medium articles that get you 100 views per month. Every article that you write won't always get ranked depending on what type of keyword you choose. But then again, you could also run paid traffic towards those Medium articles and get clicks on demand. And let's say you started running 10 Medium articles. This is free, or you can outsource that and have somebody write you articles on Fiverr. Same with YouTube videos. So let's say you got serious and you just decided to run 10 Medium articles and 10 YouTube articles, and you're getting about 400 views per month. You don't think you would start getting sales if you just focused on one product? Let's say you just focused on one product on Clickbank. You go to Clickbank's marketplace, you find a high converting offer, sort the products by gravity. The higher the gravity means there's people making money right now with this product. With this self-help marriage and relationships, right? There's 172 people that made a sale with this product within the last few weeks. Okay? And if you run all your traffic, your 10 articles talking about different ways on relationships and working it out with your partner, dedicate one channel to relationships and helping people with their relationships, and you send all this traffic towards this offer, this Clickbank offer, you're going to start making money, guys, over time. The more videos and the more articles you write, the more money you're going to make. All right, this is a proven strategy that will and does always work, but you got to start small and you got to start today. All right, it is a building block, guys. Start with one video, start with one article. At the end of the year, you're going to have 20 videos, 20 articles. You just got to get busy. So that's it for this video, guys. I've been talking and rambling long enough, but you can see, guys, my channel gets views, guys. I have a small channel, but I'm growing every day. Like, I had 102 watch hours in the last 28 days. 102 hours of content within the last 28 days. People are watching videos. These are some proven strategies that work and will always work, but you will have to put in the work, all right? Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for video 2 where we go over 325. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, guys. Feel free to hit that notification bell so you won't miss video 2 when I drop it. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you on video 2. God bless you.